everybody, and I'll tell you all the chickens' names. This is Barbara. This is Joe. This is... Wait, come back. There he is. His name is Frank. This guy's name is Lexi. There's Lexi over there. There's Bob over there. Wilma, Frank. Yeah, Frank Jr. And oh my god, I forgot their names. His name is Wilbert. His name is Wilbert. That name's Joey over there. Boston. We have Boston, Brooklyn, and Hope over there. I think that's it. There's all the chickens' names, everybody. So yeah. Yeah, bye.